Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can check your iPhone is unlocked or not. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So there's two different ways that you can know whether your iPhone is unlocked or not. The first one is through your cellular data. So first of all, go to your settings, and after going to your settings, now tap on cellular. And after doing so, here you can see the option of cellular data options. If you can't see the option of this, there might be a possibility of your phone not being unlocked. So simply just tap on the cellular data options, and then here you can see there are various options like voice and data mode, and limit IP address tracking and all. And if your phone does not have these kind of options in here, there is also the probability that your phone is unlocked. So the another thing that you can check is no SIM restrictions, for which go to your main settings. Here you can see we're on the main settings and you have to tap on general. And after tapping on general, now tap on about. And after tapping on about, you have to now scroll down until you see the option of carrier lock. Here you can see the option of carrier lock, and in here you can also see the option of no SIM restrictions. It says no SIM restrictions because my phone is unlocked. If your phone is locked, it won't show the no SIM restrictions in here. And like this, you can check if your iPhone is unlocked. And that is it. That is how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.